it up. It's called notification ringtones. You'll see it's like kind of like a chat message, and then it's green with like a smiley face in it, and there's like these funny and cool freaking getting a notification. Okay, but I'm gonna show you some really funny ones. So here, I gotta get one real quick. Let me get a phone.
I'm about to whip somebody's ass. Oh, I'm about to whip somebody's ass. Oh, if you don't leave me alone, you're gonna have to send me home. 'Cause I'm about to whip somebody's ass.
Okay.
Why won't you answer me? Hello? This is your cell phone. What do you think? You're just not gonna answer me? You keep me in your pocket like I'm some dirty little. Why won't you answer me? I'm not gonna ring forever, pal. And when I'm done ringing, that's it. You can say goodbye.
Say goodbye. Okay. This is my favorite one.
Your mama's calling back for no real reason but just to chat. She'll waste your minutes talking about the cat or about how dad has gotten fat.
Let me find another one.
Excuse me, sir, but I'm afraid someone is endeavoring to contact you telephonically. Shall I tell them to fuck off?
I love that one. Another one. Hold on. Just 1 second.
Is it possible for you to shut the fuck up for 10 seconds? Is it possible for you to shut the fuck up for 10 seconds?
I love that one.
An idiot is attempting to reach you on your cellular device. An idiot is attempting to reach you on your cellular device.
That's not very funny.
You got it, woohoo-wee! Banana!
Who's in my house? I gotta find one again.
This is the cell phone detection system. It's your dad calling. And man, is he pissed. See if you can talk your way out of this one.
Hey.
Stupid!
Redneck ringtone.
Answer the phone or I'm whooping your ass. Answer the phone or I'm whooping your ass. I'm serious. If you don't answer this dadgum phone, I'm coming down there and kicking your ass so hard you have to clear your throat before you fart. Answer the dadgum phone.
I love that.
Ring ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Ring ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Ring ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Ring ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding.
Hey, your phone is ringing. Pick up your phone. The phone. Yeah, the phone is ringing. I know you want to answer the phone. You better pick up the phone. The phone is ringing. Pick up your phone. Don't even try to ignore it. Pick up your phone. Your phone is ringing. Hey, your phone is ringing. Pick up your phone. Hey, your phone is ringing.
Oh, wow. I love this.
Shit!
Oh crap, I'm drooling.
Boyfriend alert.
This is gay. Oh wow. This is annoying. Another one. Who turned the lights out? Only one light. Oh. It was just flickering.
You got 10 seconds to take this call. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, gosh, that's annoying.
I might have had a few to drink, right? But I know I'm ringing. I know I'm ringing loud. But I'm a good phone, so I'll get picked up, won't I? And we'll get.
Oh, good boy.
This is my ringtone. It's on my iPhone. No, you don't have one. You're on the horizon. I waited in line. That's how I got mine. You say you're blood at home. You got no iPhone. Yeah.
Oh. What'd I miss? Oh, okay. Okay.
Skank alert. Warning. Skank. Skank alert. Warning. Skank.
You don't need to hear that.
Well, whoop-de-freaking do.
Whoop they freaking do! This one is funny.
Oh, crap, I just shit my pants. Oh, crap, I just shit my pants.
Did you hear that? Oh crap, I just shit my pants.
Oh, crap, I just shit my pants.
Oh! I knocked over my camera. Ooh. 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 Oh, I'm gonna turn this one down a little bit.
Oh my god, look at that fat cock.
Oh my god.
They know when you're sleeping, they know when you're awake, they know when you're leaving the house, they know when you're happy, when you're sad. Come to think of it, it's kind of like having a stalker. But I don't care, it's my best friend.
It's just a little.
You cannot have a cookie because the cookies do not belong. belong to you because they're mine.
Cat, I'm a kitty cat, and I dance, 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 and I dance, dance, dance. Cat, I'm a kitty cat, and I dance, 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 and I dance, dance, dance. Cat, I'm a kitty cat, and I dance, 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 and I dance, dance, dance. Cat, I'm a kitty cat, and I dance, 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 and I dance, dance, dance. Cat.
Joe is calling you.
Oh no, it's your best friend calling. What does she... Hey, it's your mom calling. Pick up your phone. Pick up your phone.
That's funny. Well, I hope you liked this video. These ones were funny. I'm not joking. I started laughing so hard. And I will see you in the next video. I just had to do that.